Hey there, YouTubers. I got some exciting news to share with you. I have acquired my first sponsor for Jeepzilla and my dream build on this thing. Super excited. They reached out to me. They saw one of my YouTube videos of the Jeep and wanted to partner up. So I'm excited to share with you. I got my first product from them. I'm going to be doing an install video and kind of walking you through it. It is a new set of LED headlights and fog lights matching with color changing trim rings. What you're seeing on there right now is currently what I have, and they sent me a new set, so this is what we are working with. So here you see the set. I just hooked a battery up to it so we can get an idea, so I could test them, make sure they work. They're in auto mode right now, so they're just jumping around from different designs, different colors. As you can see, they're very bright. You can change the color. Here is the app on the phone. All you do here, pick different modes. These lights will do different moves, different colors, all sorts of different picks here. Change your brightness level all the way up. You can change the speed. You can do all sorts of things with this app and these lights. I'm really excited to get them installed in the front of this thing, and they're gonna go really well with the rest of my underglow lights that I have on this thing. And let's get going. So first thing we gotta do is we gotta take the grill off to get to the headlight buckets and the front bumper, because those fog lights are attached to the back side of the bumper. You're gonna take that apart to get to those. Luckily, I've modified my stock front bumper. I just chopped the ends off, so these bolts are really easy to get to. Same with the two on the inside, and then this just pops off out of the way, and I can get the new ones mounted in there. So let's get to working. All right, I got the grill kind of lowered down out of the way. You just have pushing clips along the top here. Take those out, and then there's snaps down here. You just pull the grill towards you and it'll come loose. I just have mine resting here because I do have an LED light wired up here, so I can't remove it fully. Unplugged just a twist of those so I can let this thing fall down out of the way so I gain access to the headlights. I got this side removed. This is the old one. I still have to remove it. You have 4 screws, torque screws. They're size 15 to be able to take this trim ring off, and the headlight falls out. A little pro tip: if you're switching from halogen headlight bulbs to LED bulbs, you're going to notice, if you buy a cheap set, your headlight's flickering at night. It gets pretty annoying. To counter that, there's companies out there that make anti-flickering resistors, because factory with halogen bulbs, those draw a lot of power. You switch to LED, they do not draw a lot of power. So that's where the computer brain gets confused and the lights start flickering. So I looked these up on Amazon. They plug right in between your factory headlight, plug in on the body side into your new LED headlight. And that is supposed to remove the flicker so you have no more problems. This set right here was 11 bucks on Amazon, and it saves a headache when you're driving down the road, an annoyance. So I will be installing those with these headlights as well. Here we are, all done. I got the lights in, wired up. They look amazing. It really goes well with the rest of my lighting. I can change on both of them. There we go. Shout out to American Modified Off-Road for the headlights and fog lights with the color changing halo rings. They're LED headlights and they are so bright. Want to check them out? Go to their website, get a set for yourself. Super easy to install. You're gonna love the look. You can change to so many different colors and designs. It's unreal. Quality product. Look them up.